Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Thursday the 1st of August. Keynsham again today. The blue label tells me it was St Peter's Hospice. We bought this one in. £1.99. One of those wooden clip together kits. I think these are, oh yeah, Tiger Store. These are sold in. I think Samuel Self is do it yourself, roughly translated. I suppose if you were keen, you could actually scan that into your 3D printer. There's two sheets, or at least two sheets. Is it two? Can't tell whether that's two or four. It might be. Yeah, it's four sheets. I'd probably end up doing a lot of scanning to get all that in. I don't think I'll be doing that. I was looking at the picture. That looks like a laser cut version. Nice clean edges on it and dark brown where it's been laser cut. This one is clearly not laser cut. This is stamped. There's bits there where you're going to need a knife to actually go through the bits that haven't been stamped properly. That looks fairly well stamped though. Looks okay, what we can see of it. That'll just be another one to go into my stock of wooden kits. I've got quite a few. I do them when it's raining or when I'm sitting in the car waiting for Nanny. I've got a few sitting in the car for that purpose. Or sometimes when we're on holiday and it's raining and I've got nothing to do. So yeah, I keep quite a stock of them. I usually only pay about £1 for them, but yeah, £1.99. Prices have gone up. That's life.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.